This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6, and today I will share a few advices on how to fix slow system on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you take proper care of your device's internal storage, and what I mean by that is to simply perform a storage cleanup. The easiest way to do that that I know of is to use the Google Files app, so get it installed for free from the Google Play Store. Then launch the app, open the clean section, so it should be somewhere here, yep, and here you'll find, or you'll rather see, the automatically designed measures for your storage. So the Google Files app just comes up with steps you need to take in order to free up some storage space, and those steps are tailored towards whatever storage situation you have. So they are personalized, and just make sure to take all of those measures. So in my case, that's only to clean junk files, since my storage is in perfect condition. But if you've been using this phone for a while now, you will probably, or you will definitely have more steps to do. Then you can also do what? You can also clear your RAM cache perhaps. So open the list of recent apps, press the close all button, and well, that's how you free up some RAM space, should I say. You can also consider simply rebooting your phone by pressing the volume up and power buttons probably, or actually holding them perhaps. Yeah, what a joke actually. For some mysterious and unknown reason, the Samsung decided to make launch and power of menu absolutely unintuitive and just more complicated than it should be. But, well, what can you do, I guess? So press and hold the volume down and power buttons in order to restart your device. Then you can also go into settings. Here go into device care, memory, RAM plus, switch it on, then select how many additional gigabytes of RAM you would like to get, and then restart your phone in order for this feature to take effect or to be properly applied. And well, as far as the performance enhancing measures go, that will be more or less it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.